Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this DOOGEE S86 PRO smartphone, and let me show the top 3 home screen widgets that you can possibly add on this device. So first of all, in order for you to access the widget menu, choose any vacant spot you have on any of your home screens. Tap and hold at this vacant spot, wait for this menu to be called out. Go for the widgets, and here we are at the widget menu where all the widgets are divided into convenient categories. So the first widget that we would highly recommend on adding is obviously a very necessary clock widget. Here look for the clock category, choose what design you would like to go with. In my case I'll use this digital option and move it to my main home screen and put it right below the Google search bar. And here I'll have this digital clock that show the current time, current day of the week, and current date as well. The second widget that we would highly recommend on adding is the contact direct dial widget. So here locate the contact category, and here basically you have like 3 variants of widgets, either like the contact, which will just be responsible for showing the contact page and contact information of any chosen contact you have, the direct dial of any chosen contact, or the direct message respectively. I wanted to show exactly the direct dial, so let's tap and hold, choose where we want to drop this widget at. I'll go with this spot for example. And next we gotta choose what contact we would like to be able to swiftly dial. I'll go with, let's say, this Ronnie contact. And basically, as you can see, this widget turned to this contact photo. And once we want to call or dial Ronnie, we don't necessarily have to open up the phone, going for the contact section and here looking for him. We can just tap on this widget and the dial will automatically start. Alrighty, so we're moving to the third and last widget for this video, that is called YouTube Music widget. So here, let's open the widget menu once again, look for the YouTube Music category, choose this widget and decide where you want to drop it at. I'll drop it right here. So this convenient widget allows you to regulate, manage and configure your playlist. You can just skip, like play the next song, play the previous song, like or dislike this particular song, play pause, and all other kinds of good stuff. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!